pretty excited. This just came in the mail from our friends at TRAVOCA. And the reason I'm excited is, well, one of the reasons, me and Lilet are going on a road trip. We're not taking the camper though. But the cool thing about this, I think, is it's going to work on a road trip. We're taking the truck. About 900 miles one way. Visit family. But anyway, if I can use this in the truck, and it helps me save money, and it's very cool and I can use it in the camper, hey, now I like where this is going. All right. Ooh, wow. Wow, hey, listen, boys, this is classy. Let me get this out of the way. Wow. Okay. I have seen a picture of it. They did send me a picture. Oh, you can't see. Look at this. Wow. What? Whoa. That's real wood handles. Let me prop this thing up for you. You got to see this. You got to get a better shot at this. Here we go. There we go. Look at that wood. What this is a car fridge. Car fridge. It has a 12-volt plug-in. We have that in the truck. Wow. Okay, so we've got our power. It's got, and I'll get to this one. Let's just go over the cool stuff really quick. There's where it plugs in, okay? There's the on and off. It's got all your different things here that we will figure out before we get on the road, and I can show you when it's in use. But look at how classy this is. Do they know who I am? Wow. Wood on these beautiful aluminum handles. So really nice gasket. Listen, this is shockingly nice. I'm not even kidding. Inside here, there are two different storage places. Oh, and it says here, okay. Now, let's come over to this side. Oh, and there is plug in on this side as well. Really nice here. Look at this. I think the people at TRAVOCA took the time to say, what do people want when we're going to give them a car fridge? This will fit nicely in any vintage camper. I was just going to put it in the back of the truck. I think I need to put it in the back seat now. Right here is just vented because that's where I just noticed, that's where your compressor is going to be, front and back ventilation. But there's a light right here. There's a light. So I am assuming you open this dog, man, that shuts nice. Wow. It opens from the back. Did you see that? That was not a magic trick. Holy cow. They made it so that it's hinged on both sides. And this side looks just like the other side. Look at, boys. I believe we just hit the jackpot. Let's go load this thing up with snacks that need to be refrigerated. And then we're going to eat them along our 900-mile journey. 2:30 a.m. We are getting ready to go on our road trip. We've got about 900 miles to cover, and got to make sure that our boxes are set. And so, so we're gonna set this one. That's the freezer. We're just gonna leave that. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Sorry. Okay, let me try that again. There we go. So now we can lower it down 21 degrees. We keep that in the freezer. Okay, that's good.
Now 32, that's a bit much for the cold storage. So, so let's bump that. I'll get this right. Okay, there it is. This is just going to be our drinks and our fun stuff, so we don't need it to freeze. So I think 40 degrees is going to be just fine. So we got the freezer section here set, and over here we've got our cold section. We got some fruits and some drinks in there. Everything's set. We're plugged in down here. Looks like everything is doing great. 13.8 volts from the truck. Good job, truck. Let's get on the road, and after 100 or so miles, maybe 200, next state we stop in, let's get a snack and see if this works. It is time to check on our TRAVOCA. Well, it says the freezing side is sitting at 22 degrees and sitting at a nice cool 40 on the other side. So let's see what we're gonna have. Maybe just some drinks, I think. Lilet wants a banana, so I'll get that for her. And I think I'm just gonna have a Diet Coke. We're gonna go out here and sit down and see if these numbers are true. All right, we're gonna just sit down and relax because we are about 4 hours into our trip, 4 hours to test. All right, banana time. Is it cold? Is it good?
It's cold, it's good.
All right.
Perfect.
Okay, well, I will be the judge of that with this Diet Coke with my great camera work. Boy, they've got the lid on this thing. Dang. I'm gonna have to get my workout in. There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, you can see we're probably gonna have to boost it down or unboost it. It's a little bit frozen, so that's how I like it anyway, but I think we'll turn it down to 41 or 42, which I think is the recommended setting. But we wanted cold, we have cold, and we've got snacks. All right, stop number one. Next stop, it's gonna be a big one. It is about 3 hours since our last dip in. As you can see, we're still freezing at 22 and 42. I bumped it up to degrees in the cold to see if we can get this all dialed in. I think I might try some cheese, a Diet Coke. We'll see, I'll just get a whole bunch of stuff and make sure that it's going to be all set at the right temperature in our TRAVOCA. This guy's parking way too close to me over here.
We're on a picnic table now, right outside the Route 66 State Park Visitor Center. Lilet has some Cadbury chocolate and a Nestle Quick. You're gonna try, see if everything's frozen or we did it right this time. I'm gonna have some cheddar cheese, extra sharp. Why? I don't know. It just sounded really good at the moment, so I'm gonna, yeah, hey.
I try this one.
It's not frozen, it's cold.
It's cold.
Good, good. Now, let's see if I got this dialed in from the last time. I don't know how they put those little things on like that. I did not. It's better. There's still a little in here. So I'm going to back it down about 2 more degrees. And in about 3 hours, we'll be getting close to home. We'll probably make one last stop and we can see how it did here. I think keep it cold. It just keeps it cold. And it's not hot out, so it's not like it's working so hard to keep up. It's kind of cold, so this is what's happening from that. So we're gonna back her down too, see what happens. Come in closer. 900 miles, 14 hours. We started in Ohio at 23 degrees. We're back in Oklahoma at 85. So our final test for our TRAVOCA is from the freezer section, ice cream. Did it keep the ice cream? Oh yeah, oh yeah. It doesn't have a freezer side. So, if you want to know, once I got it dialed in, no problems. This is a car fridge. We ran it off the battery for 14 hours. It has done its job. And we're happy to be home.